What is the maximum altitude a Cessna 172 can reach? We are here in the French country to test it out. Everything is set up to match the international standard atmosphere, and with only the 15% of fuel and 190 pounds of pilot. No problem until 14,000 feet, the service ceiling of this plane. The climb became very slow after taking over the 18,000 mark. While doing this flight, I felt that the ceiling would have been approximately 20,000 feet, and I wasn't wrong. After 90 minutes, I finally arrived, and we touched the 20,468 feet.